Exploring recent developments in right to repair laws and their impact on cell phone repairs in Sydney CBD. In recent years, the right to repair laws have been gaining traction in Australia and around the world. These laws are designed to address the issue of manufacturers restricting access to components and repair information, which can limit consumer choice and make repairs more expensive. In this article, we will be looking at some of the recent developments in right to repair laws and their impact on cell phone repairs in Sydney CBD. The right to repair movement began in 2012 when a group of activists from Massachusetts called for legislation that would give consumers the ability to fix their own products. Since then, similar campaigns have emerged all over Australia, campaigning for similar rights for consumers. As of 2021, there is still no federal law protecting these rights, but several states have begun to introduce legislation that gives consumers more control over how they repair their products. One of the most significant developments in right to repair legislation has been the introduction of a NSW bill that would require manufacturers to provide access to spare parts, tools and software information necessary for repairing electronic devices such as cell phones. This bill is still being debated in Parliament, but it has already had an impact on cell phone repairs in Sydney CBD by increasing competition between repairers who are now able to access parts and tools that were previously unavailable or restricted by manufacturers. This increased competition has led to a decrease in prices for many common repairs such as screen replacements or battery replacements, which can be up to 50% cheaper than they were before. The increased availability of parts also means that more complex repairs can now be done quickly with fewer delays than before due to not having access to original manufacturer parts or software updates necessary for certain processes such as unlocking a device or restoring lost data from it. Although there is still no federal law protecting these rights yet, this new law could potentially set a precedent for other states around Australia who are considering introducing similar regulations into their own statutes books. This could lead to even greater savings and convenience for customers who need cell phone repairs done quickly without having to pay exorbitant prices due to monopolies held by certain manufacturers over certain components or tools required for certain tasks like unlocking devices or restoring data. Overall, it looks like right to repair laws are slowly being adopted across Australia, which can only be good news for customers looking for reliable and cost-effective cell phone repairs within Sydney CBD area, as well as other areas around the country where these regulations may soon apply too. With more competition between repairers comes lower prices and faster turnaround times, so hopefully we'll continue seeing positive developments with regards to these laws throughout 2021.